Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can change your Instagram name even after you've changed it twice in your 14 days limit. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started. So on your Instagram account, you want to change your username but you've changed it twice already in a 14-day time period. So what you do is you go to your profile and tap on edit profile. So you want to edit your name. So what you do is tap on name and then try to enter the name that you want to set it to. For example, I want to set it to this. Then I tap on the tick mark. After that, Instagram will give me a pop-up for a few seconds. So I'll take the screenshot of this pop-up window. I take the screenshot. As you can see, my screenshot has been taken. So what I do now is that I go to the 3-bar icon on the top right corner. I tap on it. I go to settings and privacy. Then I scroll down until I see the help option. I tap on it. Then tap on report a problem. Tap on report without shaking because you have a screenshot of it. So you can simply just report with the screenshot. So you tap on report problem without shaking. Tap on don't include and continue. Now upload the screenshot that you've just taken. After you've uploaded your screenshot, now you need to provide a valid reason as to why you should be allowed to change your username before hitting the 14-day limit. A good reason may be that you have recently gotten married or divorced, so your name has changed. So explain your situation and why you need to change your username before the 14-day limit and then tap on send. After you've tapped on send, Instagram will get back to you within a certain amount of time. Then you will be allowed to change your name more than twice in a 14-day period. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.